Hi everyone, my name is Faye Smith. I'm the owner and lead stylist at Faye Smith Agency, and today I'm here at my beauty salon in Gastown, Vancouver, Canada, Primp and Proper. So we've all been wearing a hell of a lot less makeup, let's get real. And I'm not used to seeing myself with eyeliner anymore, but eyeliner is in this year. And so I have created a little eyeliner trick that I want to show you guys today that gives you that wing liner look without feeling like your eyes are overwhelmed with big black line. So both of the products that I'm going to use today are from Byoode Cosmetics. This is a Vancouver line that I absolutely love. I discovered it in 2020, and yes, I retail it at my salon and on my online shop. If you're interested in these products, you can find them at the link below. Let's get to the video. So I'm going to take my eyeliner, and this eyeliner is absolutely amazing because it is such a fine point. It's like a little felt tip pen eyeliner, very easy to use. I'm going to take the tip and start in the outer corner of my eye where the top and bottom eyelid meet, and I'm going to flick up at a diagonal following the angle that my bottom eye line sits. I'm just going to do one line flicking all the way up, and then I'm going to turn my eyeliner pen around, and I'm going to go from the outer corner of my eyeliner flick, draw a line back in towards my top eye line, and it's almost creating like a little V shape, upside down, sideways V shape, and I'm going to color that in. I'm then going to flip my eyeliner pen around the other way, still horizontal, and I'm just going to very gently feather in that eyeliner into my lash line. And I'm not actually taking this eyeliner any further than halfway along my entire upper lash line. We want it to look very natural and not a full eyeliner, but we're still getting that beautiful, natural looking wing. So I'm going to use my favorite mascara, because you should always wear mascara when you're wearing eyeliner, in my opinion. It just makes the eyeliner look in place when you have some black mascara on. I'm going to use my favorite Byoode Cosmetics eyeliner, Double Trouble Mascara. It's waterproof, smudge proof, but comes off easily. Absolutely love it. On one end I've got my large brush, and it has lots of little bristles in here, plastic bristles that separate my lashes, giving me maximum volume and length without being clumpy. And then I'm going to use the other end, the little Diddy Baby mascara, just to get any of the ones that I've missed with my big brush, any of the little babies on the inner corners, and even some of the bottom lashes. On the bottom lashes with this winged eyeliner look, I'm just going to color the lashes on the outer corners to keep the cat eye shape. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you've learned a few little tricks, and I hope that you're going to get that eyeliner back and explore wearing eyeliner again. It is fun, a quick and easy little makeup trick. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Please leave me comments. I love chatting with you guys, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.